Hello guys! Welcome to my channel. So I am just going to break some news. It's going to be good news. And as you can see here, we've got the Simula at Wakas World Tour stop in Singapore posted on behind me. So yes, the news is I'm gonna go to Singapore. So yeah, actually right after the kick-off concert last May, I have already contacted 1Z and checked if which stop will have another global fan package, and the details that they gave me was Singapore. So since then, kick-off concert pa lang, nakaplano na po ito na may Singapore stop for global fan package, and I have already pinned to my mind na I am gonna go and do it again for Singapore stop because I really had a blast. And yeah, so I've booked it, and then now I just booked today my flights to Singapore from New Zealand. So yes, I'm gonna be traveling again by myself, and I will continue my 18 journey, and I'm so happy for what I have done so far, and I'm happy to share again with you guys my experience, what will be my experience this time around. And just a disclaimer, the global fan package that will happen for Singapore stop, it's not under 1Z, it's a different organization or different organizers. It's the producers, I think. But yeah, we'll see what's gonna be the difference, but I'm looking forward, and we will be reviewing again this time around my experience for global fan package. And yeah, so I'm so happy. I'm gonna see amazing boys again. I mean, sorry, not boys, amazing artists again. So, and also aside from that, I'm gonna be seeing my 18 sisters. Yay! So especially those ones that are not based in New Zealand, I'm gonna be meeting 18 sisters that are based in Manila, and also from New Zealand. My 18 sisters will come and we will enjoy again this experience, and hopefully matatakan yung passport. That's what we were looking forward to. The stamp for the merch passport that they have given us. So yeah, and also, good thing about this, if I can just show you, I think, hang on, let's see, Simula at Wakas Global Fan Package Singapore. I'm just gonna check. Wait a minute. Oh yeah, here. I'm just gonna check what's included in the package again, just to show you guys. So it's different from the kick-off one. So the global fan package for Singapore stop, I've got the package B, so the gold one, and it includes the hotel accommodation and 2 gold tickets, including a high and buy session. So that's what I'm also gonna look forward to, the high and buy session, because it's my first time doing high buy session. And accommodation, yep, I've got that. Breakfast included, and food voucher, which is 30% off, and then the exclusive merch. So yeah, this is what I've got, and I'll be sharing the room with my 18th sister. So it's gonna be a fun moment again, and hopefully no issue. Oh, sorry, it's this one here. This one here. Hopefully no issue, and we'll have safe flight, smooth flight, and we'll just enjoy our stay in Singapore for that weekend. And I think Aruma will be there. So yeah, we will be witnessing the Indonesian version of MAPA. Yay! And also there's a hi-bye session. So sana magkaroon ako ng chance talaga na magkaroon ng kahit small interaction lang with the boys. So natulog ko. So yeah. See you guys! I'm so excited. See you! Processing payment. Let's see if Yahoo! Booking confirmed. I will see you. I'll see you guys soon. My 18 heart is so happy.